So my name is Sarah. We have been full-time RVers since July of 2019. We are currently in a 28-foot travel trailer. I am currently a virtual patient advocate for Driven Dental Implant Marketing. However, I just recently found a new position. I'll be actually doing some team training for different dental offices and coaching them through how to best help people. I have been working remotely now for just about 6 months. And so the digital nomad world is a little new to me, but very exciting and tons of opportunity. I do different phone and virtual consultations for patients seeking dental implants. From day to day, my schedule is very much internet dependent. So I'm constantly on the phone with patients, at least every hour on the hour. If not on the phone, I'm in a Zoom meeting with my teammates or my manager or whatever that looks like. So I'm constantly talking with patients over the phone or on Zoom, and we've never had any issue at all. I've never missed a Zoom meeting. I've never missed a phone call. Connectivity does not seem to be any issue. We're able to find it anywhere. Software that I use typically is nothing extraordinary. Typically Zoom, Google Meets, or I'm heavily relying on my Google Calendar, use a lot of Google Docs and Google Sheets and all of that in order to be able to share any information that I have with my team members across the nation. When we're planning our trips, my husband is constantly checking out different apps to make sure that we are going to have internet access. We always have a backup in spots, and we give ourselves plenty of time when we get to that first spot to make sure that we have enough internet. And if we don't, we move on to the next one. We use a WeBoost to help boost our signal, and we have a hotspot, and it works great. We have multiple different ways that we get power, anything from our solar to a generator. We can potentially go a couple days without any of those even working to give us enough time to figure it out. And last resort is getting to a place with full hookups at some place like an RV park to make sure that we do have our power, but it has yet to be an issue. So I've never had to miss work for any type of power issues or anything like that. I've never missed a Zoom meeting. I've never missed a phone call. We've never had any issue. It's really opened up their eyes with how much more of a pool of candidates they can reach. Me working from the road, they have actually started to market to people that work on the road. They tell my story when they're interviewing people and tell them you can work from anywhere, and we've had such great success with it that it just really opened up the eyes of so many, and so much potential out there for future employees. You just have so many more options now.